Tonight I'm going to be staying at one of Alton Tower's most expensive rooms, the Splish Splash Room. Valhalla bag at the ready, and the Splish Splash Room sleeps up to 6 people. And yeah, you basically sleep in a giant bathtub. Yes, you sleep in a giant bathtub at Alton Towers, and that's one of the most expensive rooms. The staff at Alton Towers are always great, and they've even got entertainment in off-peak times. I didn't know they did that. You just check in with one of these machines here and they dispense the key. Oh, cool. Here we go. Here we go. Left or right, left or right, left or right. Right. And here it is, the Splish Splash Room. Here we go. And under the sea. And in this room, I feel like I'm under the sea because of the hand-painted walls and there's this duck looking at me. Under the sea. And yeah, what I meant by the wallpaper is like, look at this. It's all been hand painted. There's a fan in the room as well because I can already feel it getting hot in here. They've even put balloons up as well, which is very nice. And these mirrors here, which look like I'm actually in a submarine. Now I really like these beds because not only are they big bunk beds, like look at the size of that, but they've just got like these little quirky bits of theming, like the little telescope thing at the top. And the most interesting thing, this switch. That's what I was wondering when I saw the pictures of the room. What will this switch do? So we'll find out at the end of the video. It's high. It's high. You wouldn't expect it, but it's very spacious up here. It's just basically like a single bed, but on top of another bed. So a bunk bed. Yeah. This as well can be controlled from the lower bunk. It's Bear Grylls survival. Ah, I've just knocked my head. Ah. Sorry, yeah. Replay Bear Grylls. Control panel 3.0, 2.7. This is the Commander 345. Ready for takeoff in the submarine, and we're going to dive in 3, in 2, and in 1, and we take off. Now, I know the main reason you're watching the video is to see these bins. And there's actually 2 of them in the room. Can you believe it? 2 bins. No, now seriously, the main reason, obviously, is the bed, and I love it. If I could take this home, and if I had a room big enough, I would definitely put this bed in my room. Like, you're literally sitting in an Alton Towers FLUME bath. Look at it. And obviously this is meant to be the water. It's a huge bed. What's that, like king, queen size? You can easily fit like 4 people in there. And look at these. It's like a proper shower, like you're gonna have a shower. And this even turns it, no, I'm joking. Look at this. It's well comfy on here. I don't even have a camera big enough, like I don't have long enough arms to even reach up and show you all of this bed. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Yep, sorry. Yeah, sorry. I'm just busy on the phone. And the world's lowest chair goes to a game that makes no sense. Right foot. I win. Now the true question is, how comfy is the bed? I need to put my head down. It's 10 out of 10. It's gonna be a good night. Look at this bathroom. This is what you call a bathroom. 2, not 1, 2. I forgot what they're called. Sinks. That's my icon wash bag. Glasses, proper glasses, no plastic rubbish. A mirror, another mirror. Mirror on the wall. Up here, it's making it look like you're up, looking up at the sky, which is a cool little detail. As well as a bath, you also have a cubicle shower, which is very cool. And the main thing, of course, this bath. Granted, the water isn't as hot as you'd probably like it to be. I mean, I'm not too bothered, to be honest, but if you are one of those people who just need a really hot bath, the water's not that hot, but it's doable for me. Let me show you the little jets. Let's turn them on. Oh, are you ready? We'll let them bubble up, let them simmer up. While they're doing that, I just want to show you this. This is not that impressive, to be honest. I don't know why that's in here. 2 handrails as well, with towels. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Wow, incredible. I mean, these 2 jets aren't working, so if Alton Towers can get that fixed, it would have been perfect. But the fact that all of these jets here are working is pretty good, but I'm not too sure why those aren't working. Maybe they're not jets, maybe they're sensors, but they look like they're jets. We're gonna head down to the entertainment for a bit now. Nemesis, back with a vengeance. We work so hard and kill each other. What an awesome place to stand. Have a J2O, yeah. Whoever's sitting on there before had the right choice. And my favourite part of the room, or one of my favourite parts of the room, is this duck, which is very vibrantly painted. You can tell that's had a repaint recently. And yeah, you can have a little sit on the duck and scoot along. See you later. Rita. This is quicker than Rita. Now, I'm not sure what this speaker does or how to use it, but I have a sneaky suspicion that the speaker is wired up over here. I was thinking about it in the bath because I checked the Bluetooth on my phone and there doesn't seem to be any way to actually connect to it on my phone. So if there's no way to connect it on my phone, it must used to wire up to here, but that seems to be covered up. So I'm not sure whether that speaker's in use or out of use and even how to use it now. It's looking like you can't use it, so I'll probably get rid of it. And another day will dawn. That sounds really cheesy. Good night. Good morning, everyone. Just woken up and I had a very, very nice sleep in this bathtub bed, which unfortunately is now a mess. But yeah, we're gonna head down to breakfast now, have some of that, show you all the offerings, and then come back up and wrap it up. Ooh, no. Wickerman. So we just got back from breakfast, and yeah, it was really, really nice. The bacon's nice. I've got a lot of food offerings, like fruits, watermelon, that kind of stuff. And they got hot drinks as well, cold drinks, apple juice, everything you really want. They've got like chocolate muffins and different types of muffins as well, which was really nice. During off-peak times, they don't have all of the buffet sections open, but it doesn't really matter because they all do the same food anyway. But yeah, it was really, really nice. The only thing is, the only little thing with Alton Towers breakfast is that the beans are a little bit runny. I do like thick beans. I've been leaving you in suspense for long enough. Let's turn the power switch. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Dun 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 dun. Look at that. It's got blue lights underneath. How cool is that? And also, it turns on the light under here. It's well cool. I thought that was really good. I didn't think that these lit up, but they actually do. And they look really cool. Special mention as well to the wonky mirror. This bed was honestly so comfy last night. The best bit is being in the middle. Oh. And then you had all this covers and quilting, which you don't really need. It's quite hot in here anyway, so you can kind of take the blue one off and just use like the normal bedsheet cover. Otherwise, it gets very hot in here. And the water fountain outside the window turns off at about 11, half 10ish, and then comes back on at like 6, 7ish, because I heard it and I thought it was raining outside. So the price of the room was around £234 with Merlin annual pass discount. But yeah, the prices do vary. Obviously, on the summer, the price will probably skyrocket. But £234 roughly with Merlin annual pass discount, which is 20%, was the price of the Splish Splash room. I'm gonna miss you, duck. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I've had such a good night's stay here at the Alton Towers Resort. A lovely sleep in the Splish Splash room. I really enjoyed it. Would I go back to that room? Yeah, probably, but there's so many other rooms to try out that I'll probably just try out another room, maybe Cadbury Room or Coca room next time. Let me know where you'd like to see me stay next in the comments, and maybe we'll head back in the next few weeks. But thank you so much for watching. Definitely recommend it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.